In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer BNB from your Trust wallet over to your KAST crypto card so you can go ahead and then spend it in the real world. So what you need to do once you've passed KYC on KAST and you've got your crypto debit card, you need to go ahead and click on receive. By the way, if you don't have an account yet, link in the description, it will give you 200 KAST points for free, which is around $14. Go ahead and click on receive though to deposit some cryptocurrency, and then it's going to ask you how do you want to receive money. We're going to choose here crypto because we're depositing BNB. Then we can click on asset type and we can change this to BNB. Now we've done that, we will get a wallet address, so go ahead and click copy on that, and you can head over now to Trust Wallet. We can then click on BNB, we can then click send, and then we'll paste in this address from KAST. Now we can click on the BNB amount and you can enter in how much you want to send, or you can go ahead and click on max. Now I've done that, I'm going to send the max amount, which is going to be $11. We'll click next, and you can see here the network fee. We're going to need to make sure we have enough for that. We can then click continue. Okay, so it looks like that has left the wallet. What we'll do now is we'll go back to KAST, and now we'll just refresh and wait for the balance to update. And as you can see, we have a notification saying that we've received the deposit. Now, if we just refresh, you can see it's updated, and we can now go ahead and use this to spend on our crypto card. So thank you for watching. Link in the description to sign up to KAST.